McCutton's Barbecue. It's so easy to clean up the flat top. I'm going to be cooking some bacon. Really fast and simple. Got to clean it up. It's Tuesday morning and it's raining. So let's get this show on the road. Super easy to clean up. Let's take all this. Let it soak up. Just clean it away. Look at that. I'll get another paper towel. Clean. Pour a little beer on there. Oh, it's gonna rain. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna clean off my Zenware. Look at that. Cleans up nice. Cooking outside is always fun to do. Every time you go outside, I cook bacon. Cook bacon every day. There's no other way to cook bacon outside. Look at that, cleans up good. All right, that's clean. Man, that flat top is clean. But I'm gonna get it dirty with a lot of bacon. Here we go. McCutton's Barbecue, cooking outside for breakfast. Breakfast. Cooking bacon outside in the morning. No hassle, no fuss. The grease will go right to the back and I'll just clean it up with a paper towel. It doesn't smell up the house. And it's gonna be crispy, crispy, crispy. I love it. Cooking bacon outside on a rainy day. It's a beautiful day in Sunland. Whenever you got time to play, you could always cook bacon on your flat top. Let's see how it comes out. Thank you, Scoggett, for the bacon. And the chili. No mess, no fuss. That's what it's all about. Don't cook bacon inside in a greasy pan. Make a mess and smell the whole house up. It smells good, but do it outside. Look at that. Flat top cooking on the gas range. No fuss, no fuss, no muss. Easy cleanup. It's easy to clean. My advice: don't buy Oscar Mayer bacon. It's not good. It tastes good. It's like bacon, but it's really not the best choice. I like Kroger. I like the regular store-bought cheap brand of bacon. It's really good. This Oscar Mayer bacon is really bad. All that dirt right there, all that, it's all from the salt and preservatives. It's not good. But it'll taste great though. It's bacon, isn't it? Cooking outside in the rain. It's a beautiful day in the rain. McCollins Barbecue cooking bacon. Cooking bacon in the rain. Cooking bacon in the rain again. Oh yeah. Good bacon. This is how I put up the bacon. I line the sheet, paper plate with sheets, and I put the bacon in there and let it soak up a little grease. And then you got crispy bacon. Now you can put this in the refrigerator in a bag. Oh, that's a good piece right there. I'll let go. You can put it in a bag, a Ziploc bag, and keep it for like a week. And just whenever you want bacon, pull a piece out, put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, maybe 15, and it'll stay, it'll be crisp, and you got bacon. So you can make it all at once, and then have it all week. And you don't mess up your kitchen with the grease flying around everywhere. Just put that on there. See, I'm all done. It barely took maybe 10 minutes. All right, that's it. Now let's see if I can try to clean. I'm gonna take some beer. I'll just try to clean it up a little bit. And scoot everything to the back. And the grease will settle in there, and I'll be able to clean it up really nicely. I'm gonna try a piece of bacon. Taste test.